Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Petro and welcome to my channel. Since last time we go to lihpao International Circuit, we are not only unsatisfied with our result but also face some issue with our 2012 Mustang GT. First, the overheating indicator just goes on after 5 laps. And second, the brake fast started at about 3rd lap. I mean, what I found it from eBay. The HPS silicone radiator hose kit, the Motorcraft thermostat housing, and the Motorcraft thermostat therm, and also some craft nut become a pressing agent for my friend, but it's not important. We'll go to see my friend for help to install those stuff. Hope this will solve my overheating issue. And now here we are in our friend's place, and he will help us to install the silicone radiator and the thermostat. And hope that will help to solve our overheating issue. And on the other side, we are here for solving the other issue about the brake. Of course not the brake up, I mean the braking system. The braking system here is the most important component in your vehicle. Without the brake, you can not only stop the car but also fatal accident may occur. But lots of people consider that big braking system BBK is modification is not necessary or making this change in daily drive. In other words, people think BBK make more visual effect than really use. People think the key of the shorter emergency braking distance is the tire. So today I will try to find out the truth between the tire and the BBK. In fact, the most factor that affect your braking distance is grip. The grip depends on the tire, brake pad and disc and even the vehicle weight. And today we will do this test with the 2012 S197 Mustang GT, which is totally stock but only changed the tire. If you have seen my previous videos, now you may notice that this car got stuck 18-inch OEM bullet wheels with Kumon Excada KU21 Hyperboss all-season tire with 235mm width and 50% aspect ratio. The speed rating for this tire is W. Actually, Kumon is not famous in Taiwan. I didn't know where to buy Kumon tires as I know. And the only reason to choose Kumon may be less economy, I think. Cheaper than the other brand like Continental or Michelin with the same size. We'll use this tire to do 60-0 km emergency braking test from 3 to 5 times and see the result. And after that, we'll change the tire with the same level but wider and bigger one. Now we'll finish our first try. We can see the result and to go to get some modification for testing how good will a wider tire change for emergency brake. And now the brake kit is installed on our car. As you can see, the brand is called the T-Limit. It's not famous brand like the Brembo or the AP Racing because our cash is limited by our supplier. But I think that's still badass. As you can see, and what I say, the bigger size, the nicer, the more nicer the looking. Okay, now we get 318mm in the front and also 336 in the back. And now as you can see over here. And now let's go to do some emergency test. Let's go. Now we just drive our new braking system on road, and the first thing I feel is that like my braking power got increasing and more sensitive. It just little kick and I can feel the braking power just coming up and it can start my car. Not like the start, you need to push more longer distance on the braking pad that can stop your car. No, now feel great. Just like I driving the Golf or like the CLA 45, like I feel my car is lighting and my braking power is much more increasing. Now next to the river, I think it is a safety place for us to test the 6-0 braking test. The temperature is about 26 degrees and it is perfect for the testing. And then reset up and try the next time. Well, finally, we just finished the test, and as a result, you can see the big braking modification is actually got used because the braking power is much increasing, about 15%, I think, because the 60 to 0 emergency braking time is a little about 0.2 seconds shorter. Also, the distance is shorter. By the way, in each time I test, you can see the difference is much least from before. That means the braking power is much stable after the braking kit upgrade. So as a result, you can easily tell that the braking kit system is not really not usable. It's really increasing your braking power and actually increasing the stability. If you really think your car is not good at braking and you want to increase in your car safety, you can try to get some modification, upgrade your braking system and your tire and wheels. I hope you liked today's video. My name is Pietro, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and just ring on the bell. And if you got any feedback want to tell me, just leave the message. And see you next time. Goodbye. And next time we'll put this car to the lihpao International Racing Park and to do more testing about the big braking system and this tire operation. And if you got interesting, just don't miss out and following up. Goodbye.